Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up grid drawing. First, gather your essential materials: a ruler, a pencil, an eraser, and your chosen reference image and drawing paper. Grid drawing is a fantastic technique for artists of all levels, helping you achieve accurate proportions and details. It simplifies complex images into manageable sections, making the drawing process less intimidating and more precise. Ensure your workspace is well lit and comfortable for optimal focus. Next, prepare your reference image. Using a ruler and a fine-tipped pen or pencil, draw a grid directly over your reference. Make sure your grid lines are consistently spaced. For instance, every 1 inch or 2 centimeters works well. Number the horizontal lines and letter the vertical lines along the edges. This system creates unique coordinates for each square, which will be crucial for transferring the image accurately to your drawing surface. Precision here saves time later. Now transfer your grid to your drawing paper. Draw a grid with the exact same number of squares as your reference, but adjust the size of each square to scale your drawing. For example, if your reference grid is 1-inch squares, you might make your paper grid 2-inch squares to double the size. Use a very light pencil pressure for these lines, perhaps a 2H pencil, as they are merely guides and will be erased once your drawing is complete. Accuracy is key. With your grids ready, you can begin drawing. Focus on one square at a time, carefully reproducing the lines and shapes you see in the corresponding square on your reference. Pay close attention to where lines intersect the grid lines within each square. This helps maintain accuracy. Work systematically across your paper, gradually building up your drawing. Once your artwork is complete and you are satisfied, gently erase all the grid lines from your drawing paper, revealing your precise creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.